neighborhood in the city of East Cleveland at 2:30 p.m. on December 14th, 2011. The child's name is Cameron Walker. He's a 2-year-old black male, 2 feet 6 inches tall, weighing 35 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. The child was last seen wearing an orange handyman sweatshirt, a red and blue shirt, brown corduroy pants with white and blue fur animal shoes. Also black and white design on the front. Suspect is a Jatir Hines.
No.
She's a black female, approximately 22 years old, with brown hair. Last seen wearing a gray hooded sweatshirt. She's 5 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 328 pounds. No vehicle description at this time. Please call 1-877-AMBER, Ohio, or 1-877-262-3764, or dial 911 immediately if you see the child or the suspect. This concludes this emergency alert system message.